Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll talk about one of the hardy plant which is easy to grow and doesn't require any kind of care at all. The plant which you are seeing now, I have bought it from the nursery few days back. This is hybrid variety of oleander plant. This plant comes in two varieties, hybrid and desi. The only difference between both variety is that hybrid one doesn't grow in much height, which is suitable for planting it in the pot and can be easily kept in the terrace. It also comes in many colors, and mine, which you are seeing, is of red color oleander plant variety. The speciality of oleander is that it grows well in full sun, does not require any special soil, and is drought tolerant once established. As you are seeing, it is in a plastic container, so now it's time for repotting. For that, I am using 8 to 10 inches clay pot. Now, for covering the drainage hole, I will cover it with small clay pieces. Take construction sand and put the layer of it over the clay pieces to make the drainage system of the pot desirable for the plant. The air space in the sand will be the least compared to the other materials used, since it is the most compact and can hold water back due to its property of perlocation. According to my opinion, we can avoid using coco pit with the soil mix. As you know, now it's rainy season, so to hold the soil moisture, it doesn't require coco pit. Likewise, it will get continued water to make the soil enough moist. Now, fill the pot half with the soil mix, which will be according to the plant size. And preparation of the soil mix, you can watch it by clicking on I button. Now, I will tear the plastic container carefully so that the roots doesn't get damaged. I want to share one information with you all, that oleander is said to be poisonous, so it will be safe to keep it away from the pets at home. Now place the plant exactly in the middle of the pot and fill the pot with the soil mix over it. Then press it lightly around the soil. Now fill the pot with soil mix till the upper area so that the plant can stand upright at its place without leaning in any of the sides. Now again press the soil nicely around the stem. Now I will water the plant with rainwater, which I have been collecting, and after that keep it in semi-shaded area. So if you all like the video, then please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a good day.